Love them or hate them, LED bathroom mirrors are trending. Let's talk about the different style options. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, including medicine cabinets if additional storage is desired. Backlit mirrors feature LED lights embedded behind the mirror surface, providing a soft diffused glow that adds depth and ambiance to your bathroom. This type of lighting is ideal for creating a relaxing atmosphere. It's all about the vibes. Back and front lit mirrors combine the best of both worlds, featuring LED lights both behind and in front of the mirror. This configuration provides optimal visibility for grooming tasks such as makeup application. Many modern LED mirrors feature touch-sensitive controls for adjusting brightness, color temperature, and other settings. They also come equipped with dimmer switches, allowing you to control the brightness of the lights to create the perfect ambiance. LED mirrors often offer adjustable color temperatures ranging from warm white to cool white light. Built-in defoggers gently heat the mirror surface to prevent condensation, ensuring a clear reflection even in steamy conditions. Some come with integrated Bluetooth speakers, which allow you to stream audio from your smartphone or other devices for those who enjoy listening to music or podcasts while getting ready. Unfortunately, LED mirrors alone are not sufficient to fully light a bathroom. Enjoy them with recessed lights overhead or a vanity light fixture. LED bathroom mirrors are more than just functional fixtures. They're statement pieces that can elevate the look and feel of your bathroom.